Hello. So I'm gonna be trying the McDonald's chicken sandwich. I've never tried it before because it just came out, and yeah, I'm gonna be giving a review on it, and yeah, let's see how it is. So this is what it comes in. And I'm going to try it. I have it right here, so let me just. Mmm. All right. Well, that's actually pretty good. Wow. I would give it like an 8 out of 10. Chicken's good. There's no like mayo or like sauce on it, but I mean, hey, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna be scootering and I'm gonna be trying foods now on this channel. Um, so yeah, I'll see you guys later.